Media Channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. I remain one and only yours, Mike Udenta. The word of war between the governor of Rivers State, Wike, and the Supreme Court imposed governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, has gotten worse. The Rivers State governor, Nyesom Wike, actually has called the Imo State governor a fraudster, and he has advised him not to speak in public. Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike, that is on Tuesday this week, advised the Imo State governor not to ever try to speak in public when men are talking. He said that Hope Uzodinma should be very, very mindful of his utterances, as Hope Uzodinma is a fraudster, and that fraudsters do not speak in public, or else he, Nyesom Wike, will reveal his secret. Now, we at Njenje Media Studio here want to know, what are the secrets of Hope Uzodinma that Wike will expose that we don't already know? If you guys recall, before the Supreme Court forcefully imposed Hope Uzodinma as the illegal governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma was already in the bad books of Nigeria. When people of the Southeast are agitating and they're talking about marginalization by the federal government, it appears that the bigger marginalization are actually being done by people like Hope Uzodinma to the people of Southeast. Remember that Hope Uzodinma, according to EFCC record, got about $12.6 million, not naira, $12.6 million to dredge the Calabar Seaport. That is what is called the Eastern Seaport. But Hope Uzodinma did what? He vamoosed. He swallowed that money. That was why EFCC was dragging him up and down. Now, how can the same man who is in the APC, anyway, you people should know that even as their party chairman has said, that as long as you come to APC, all your sins will be forgiven. But how can someone who has stolen, yes, we will say this according to EFCC record, a man who has stolen $12.6 million that he was given to dredge the Calabar Seaport? Well, if we go back to what Wike was saying, Mr. Wike, or yet rather Nyesom Wike, was responding to an allegation, credited to Governor Hope Uzodinma, who we consider to be an illegal governor in Imo State, where he accused the People's Democratic Party, the PDP, of being the brain behind the suspension and the general ordeal of Mr. Adams Oshiomhole. Adams Oshiomhole, the one we fondly refer to as the Viagra mouth. The moment he sees a microphone, his mouth will begin to run as if he has diarrhea of the mouth. Now, because Hope Uzodinma, that is it. Because he's trying to please his paymasters by any means necessary. That's why sometimes the things he says doesn't make sense. Suddenly, the ordeals of Adams Oshiomhole, who is the diarrhea mouth of the APC, has suddenly become an issue with PDP. Whereas everybody knows that it's Fayemi, the Ekiti State Governor, El-Rufai, the Kaduna State Governor, former Governor of Rivers State, that is Chibike Rotimi Amechi, are the people behind the attempted removal of Oshiomhole. All these things are happening because of the 2023 presidential election. But Wike, in his response, said he was very, very shocked. And Wike said that such an allegation was unfounded and so unfortunate that Hope Uzodinma is telling cheap lies to please his paymasters. We quote him. Wike said, "It is unfortunate that Senator Hope Uzodinma," you see what Wike is actually doing. Wike is not even calling him a governor. He's still calling him a senator. He said, "It is unfortunate that Senator Hope Uzodinma will have the temerity to make such a false allegation that PDP conspired to suspend, to suspend Oshiomhole as APC party chairman. Man, that is giving PDP too much power. How can a man in his right senses make such a statement?" He continues and he said, Hope Uzodinma was an APC agent while he was in PDP. Wike said, pointing out that that was why APC used him as an agent to support Ali Modu Sharif, but they failed. When Ali Modu Sharif was the PDP national chairman before Secondus was eventually brought. And Secondus, let us put it on record here at Njenge Media Studio, that Secondus actually is a puppet of Wike, who is the governor of Rivers State. And he continued that it is unfortunate that people of questionable characters are in government. Hope Uzodinma cannot talk about the attempted removal of APC national chairman and mention the PDP. What is our business in the attempted removal of Oshomola? Exactly as we have said before. What has PDP got to do with it? APC does not even mean well for the nation called Nigeria. It is a pity. Or even strange bedfellows. How can they just come together and form something they called APC in order to take power? Now, they have given power, they have tested power. We can say that authoritatively here at Njenge Media Studio. 5 years on, there is nothing that the government can offer you. Yet, this is a government that came into power and said they will fight corruption. You see, is this how they are fighting corruption? Corruption is growing like a monster. This is a government that came to power, said they will build refineries. Okay, Okokobioko. Is this how many refineries have they built? Even the common modular refineries, they have been unable to build it. APC is nothing but a failure. And for those of you that might think that we equally support PDP, far from it. PDP is the senior brother of APC. There is no difference between APC and PDP. It's just the same thieves. The same thieves. They are all thieves, both APC and PDP. But APC appears to be even worse than PDP. APC does not mean well for Nigeria. Yes, we agree. And this this guy continued. That is the governor of Rivers State, and he says, if Senator Hope Uzodinma dares to make such false comment again against the PDP, we will tell the world about him. Well, there is nothing that you're going to tell the world about us, about Hope Uzodinma, that we don't already know. He said that he fraudulently took the mandate of PDP does not mean that PDP is weak. Hope Uzodinma lacks the capacity to discuss with the PDP. We must protect the judiciary to do its work, but the judiciary should protect itself. APC has destroyed the judiciary. Yes, we agree. That is what Wike said, and we agree. We saw how the judiciary came in, and gave a man that came forth with a forged result, gave him the mandate. We saw how that happened. That is an unbelievable thing happening in Nigeria. Now, Wike continues and said, we must protect the judiciary. The judiciary should be very careful. The judiciary should be at alert. It should not allow itself to be used. It should not allow itself to be destroyed. But it appears the judiciary is destroying itself bit by bit. APC should not be allowed to destroy the judiciary. Judiciary was there before the APC. Yes. It was there before the political parties. And they cannot, we cannot see the judiciary being destroyed and everybody's keeping quiet. Wike said that he's not interested in what happens in APC, but he's concerned with what the judiciary has become, and he's concerned about the survival of the judiciary. The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, or rather the head of the Supreme Court, the aeroplane driver, the Tanko Mohammed, the hunter. You see him, he wears that bag that he wears like a hunter. You're thinking he's hunting for justice, because he's hunting for the things already arranged for him to come from those and the powers that be in Abuja. This is Njenge Media Channel. We will be giving you more analytical and more analysis as they come, as events unfold. The message for us here at Njenge Media to all our fans is to say, stay safe. Do not go anywhere that is crowded. Do not shake people's hands. Wash your hands with soap as many times as possible, because we need you to be alive. All of us will survive this COVID-19, aka coronavirus. Coronavirus is not going to destroy us. It's going to make us stronger. Once more, I remain one and only Mike Udenta from Njenge Media TV. Remain blessed.
My brothers and sisters in the diaspora, this definitely is a trying time for the world. We've been reaching out to Nigerians globally, and we understand your anxieties and fears. We appeal to you to stick to the health advice in your various countries of residents. As we all practice social distancing, this is a time to stay in touch with one another. This is a time to call one another. This is a time to support one another. This is a time to be our brothers and sisters keepers. For the concerns of those who are worried about the ban on flights from some certain countries, of course, you can come to your country whenever you want to. However, you must self-isolate for 14 days. As we work hard and pray hard that the coronavirus becomes history all over the world. Nigerians at home, Nigerians abroad.